Welcome to Resident Evil 4. This is the chainsaw demo. I know everyone else is playing the game, but yeah, I'm also playing it. To be honest, I haven't got that far in the original, but I know most of the
September 30th,
things.
1998. It's a day I'll never forget. The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella. Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky. I was asked later to join a top-secret government program. Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me. But at least I kept my mind off everything. If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain, even for a second. This time, it can be different. It has to.
Has to be different. Dang. Looks so crisp. 6 years. Leon Kennedy survived. Test there. What he would find there. Chapter 1. It doesn't even go into what happened. See what's taking so long. I feel like the sensitivity's low. I guess this is fine for now. Wow. Love the boots. Wow, this looks really good. Love the chain. What's in here? Nothing. I don't even have a gun, do I? Wow. It's crazy. Hello. A lot of these places are crumbled. This place reminds me a lot of
How far could he have
Village. I mean, that's what it was kind of based on, but still. Not this version. I meant like Village based on this. Get what I mean. You get what I mean. Ew. Not really sure what the point of that was. Pretty gross. Especially since they have it in such high quality. Hello? That was very close. Ah, poor little bunny rabbit, I'm sorry. Let me check around this guy's house. Probably nothing, but still. You always gotta check. Could be something you're missing. Right up in your face. Hello. Oh, by the way, I am going to play the original, like a whole playthrough.
Anyone home?
Alright. Got a lot of dirty food and stuff in here. Is this judgment is nigh? There's not even anyone in this bed. Oh, there's a hole in the wall. It's worthless. I have a feeling that freaking wall is breakable. Not by me, obviously, but... Key! Need a flashlight, holy crap. Hello? Anybody here?
Sorry to barge in like this. Busco a un policía. Vino aquí?
My controller's rumbling. The flip. He's not dead. So I do remember that.
This is not good.
I remember that in the beginning of the game, you come here with guys, and then they stay, then get killed. Yummy. Just fried up. You know what? Hold on. There we go. I'm gonna play with the controller instead. Feels a little bit easier. Oh, now we can actually go through here. What be this way? Oh, that's very cool. I like the automatic flashlight. I think that was in the other Resident Evils, the remaster ones. What the flip is that? Is that a horse? What's this supposed to be? What the flip? Something satanic has been going down here. I don't like it.
Hey.
Ah, he's dead. His throat's been cut.
I read you. What's your situation? What the hell's going on?
What is going on? Gotta solve the case. Detective Leon S. Kennedy. I don't get why I have to look at them. I mean, technically I don't have to look at them. Hey, buddy boy.
No fucking way.
No! How do I kick? I don't know how to kick. F off.
This just keeps getting worse.
Yes, the whams. I can't reload. I don't know how to kick. How do you... Nope. Alright. Alright, who else is up here? Show yourself. I see you. Come out. Just mosey across. Don't even have to fight you guys. I have not been in here. Oh, don't tell me this opens. It does. Oh. It's a good thing I got that. Please. Hello? So one thing I forgot. Gotta conserve your ammo.
Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
The president's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Well
The
done.
location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up.
Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are...
They're trying to break down my door.
Gotta go. Talk later.
My goodness.
I'll let myself out.
Sick superhero landing. Wait. What? I'm not damaged, am I? No way. I didn't take a single hit. Very scary. Now this is the actual like little village part. I remember you could shoot the crows too to get like money and I think ammo. Talking about ammo. Thing I needed desperately. Oh. Oh. Oh wait. Oh yeah, I forgot. Can't save there, and only the hard mode you can use the ink. Excuse me. It's a bucket. Oh, not the wolf. Wait, this is the wolf I'm supposed to help? No. Maggots. So they changed that up. Because in the beginning of the game, you help a wolf. Wolfy boy. Who's talking? What is it? What is it over there? I was about to say, if there's nothing in this house. Yes, the merchant's back. Hooray! What are you buying? Where the fuck are these guys? I hear them. Ah, you don't see me. Come on. Get out of here. Yeah. Come here, come here, come here. Yeah. That's right. Uh-oh. Hold on, hold on. Hey, no! Oh, god dang it. Get off me. Yeah, I should probably, heal. There we go. I'll save the other one in, a worse circumstance. Wow. Wowie wowzers. Oh, God.
Damn it.
I mean, I should have probably knew. What the flip? Bro. Dang. Got popped, son. Oh wait, I already used it. Never mind. Never mind. Right. Just gonna move on. Watch out for traps. More traps. The flip. Hey, somebody left their head here. Oh, heads. Oh, yeah. Ah, this part. Spec. And burn that guy, yep. I remember that. The clock tower, church. Right. Some people back here from what I remember. Gosh dang it. Makes me want to have like detective vision like Batman. Shut up! I know how to play. Do that one. You don't see me. Please don't see me. Just want to make my way through. I just wanna pass on by. Ah, dang it. Wonder what happens if you shoot these. Okay. Ooh. You don't see anything. Can I kill her? Sneak attack? Oh, I can. Holy crap, dude. Not gonna lie, that was pretty epic. Pretty epic. Uh-oh. There's no way out? Uh-huh. I think all this is for nothing anyways, because I run into the chainsaw man. Right. Close it. Surprised they don't hear me doing this. Look at that. Like little bunnies. Don't hurt me. I think that guy's guaranteed to see. There's no other way. Unless... Does he walk back? Like, I can't get past him. Alright, F it. Hi.
Here we go.
Hiya! Gotta fight him off, you kidding me? Ow! Hiya! Ooh, I kicked both of them. Get the flip out of my way. Ow, I forgot they throw those. Ooh. Ow, bro, alright. Try to get me. Oh my god, it ran right into that. Yeah. Oh my god. Hiya. Kick OP. Yeah, I kind of figured this guy was coming. Oh my god. Wait, don't kill me. Don't kill me, I gotta collect. Get out of my way! I hear him. Holy crap. I don't want to deal with this guy, man. Better be bear trap or something around here. Come here. Yeah, you gotta be kidding me. Oh my god, alright. Woo! Move! Move out of the way! Holy crap!
Huh?
I forgot this happens.
La campana. Al que obedecería.
Él nos invoca.
That's gonna kill all of them. I was gonna kick them all.
Tenemos que servir.
It's time for church.
Al Lord Sadler Todopoderoso.
Secret church time. Is that where it leaves off?
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Yeah, I think that's where it leaves off. Well, sick. Very short, but cool. Yeah, I already got the game. Sorry. Chainsaw demo.